Tired of fragile LED displays that drain your time and budget? Hi, I'm Vivian, the product manager of LAMPRO. Allow me to introduce LDAII series, the game changer for indoor HD displays. Engineering with high stability, modular flexibility, and real-time monitoring. Does traditional display trap you in endless maintenance? Have you had enough to deal with rigid, structured, and delayed troubleshooting? Let's see how LDAII series can do. Holotech cooling with great heat dissipation design, 5 degrees cooler than competitors. 6-axis precision, flawless flatness guarantee, around 0.1 mm ultra-flatness. Anti-collision lamp design, protect the lamp beams, not affect the creative assembly, reducing delivery accidents, and later maintenance ensures. Remote monitoring can be achieved, and the status of the cabinet is visible at the glass. Universal cabinet. By replacing the module, various pixel pitch can be achieved. Overall resolution can be upgraded. Order now, 500 square kilometers ready in stock. You can buy another module or a whole cabinet for urgent project. Join LAMPRO with partner. Great success together.